Hello guys, I am Godgive. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, expect videos on hair, makeup, fashion, lifestyle and DIYs. On hair, expect tips on how to make your hair grow very fast, step-by-step tutorial on how to make bridal hairstyles, protective hairstyles, wig making, the best tools to work with on your hair, be it virgin hair, relaxed hair. On makeup, look out for beginners-friendly makeup tutorials. Makeup as a pro, summer makeup, how to contour and highlight your face, how to draw your eyebrow perfectly, the do's and don'ts on makeup. Name it. Fashions, lifestyles, DIYs on little or most things you can do from the comfort of your home. I'll be posting new videos every Sunday by 9 p.m. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like and share with your family and friends. Please turn on the notification bell to enable you know whenever I post a new videos. Thanks and God bless.